guys, it's your girl Creolejazz, and this is my first YouTube video, so welcome. Today I'm showing you guys how I install my daughter's starter locks. I started with 2-strand twist. I braided the root about 5-6 times so that her hair can stay together and maintain, very well as the months go by. Well, until the next month at least, till I have to retwist. This is probably her 6th lock journey. My 7th, and I have 2 daughters, so this is both of their 6th lock journey. So every time I started their lock journey, we did it different ways. I found that the 2-strand twist is the best way to do it, and I actually just combined in the back her micro locks. She had micro locks all over her head, and I decided to combine them. Her hair is very, very, very thick, and even with the micro locks, they were gonna be way too thick. But anyways, I don't want to talk about that. That's for another video. Let's get into this tutorial. I tried to record in detail as much as I could. As you can see right now, I'm braiding the root. Don't laugh at how I hold the hair, how I braid. Ever since I learned how to braid, that's how I braid. I am a little heavy-handed. You can tell in her face a little bit, but yeah. I just braided the root about 5-6 times, split the hair, and pulled it a little bit, and then I twisted it all the way down. The hair products I'm using, what is it called? It's Shea Moisture. It's a strong hold styling gel. This is my first time using it. I was looking for aloe vera gel when I was in a store. I couldn't find it, so I settled for that. So far, it's not really thick. It feels very, very, very light. So far it's working. But yeah, I just fast forward the video, and I'm just braiding her root and twisting down. In the back of her hair, her parts are way smaller than the front due to her hair texture. It's very thick, as I keep saying, but I wanted her parts to be smaller in the back and bigger in the front. So let me stop talking, just let you get into the video and see the whole tutorial. As you guys can see right here, I start to part her hair again. I already detangled her hair before even getting to this point. Her hair texture tangles around itself every time. I don't understand how it does it even after combing it all out, but I try to be as gentle as possible because she is very, very tender-headed. Yeah, I try to be as gentle as possible with her. And you can see I'm like taking my time pulling it apart. But it is moisturized, so it's not like, don't think her hair's popping or anything like that, because it's not. It's very moisturized. But I'm just taking my time trying to get my part straight because I am a perfectionist. Look at her. She just kept staring into the camera. Girl. Okay, and I did use a wider comb. Usually I would use the smaller comb, but like I said, her hair kept getting tangled. So I did use a, what do you call that? A pick to comb out her knots at the bottom, and that seemed to work fine. So I would use a wider tooth comb to detangle, because you don't want to just pull out or break the hair or anything like that. So right here, I'm just making sure the part from the side is straight. And I'm using my little pick to comb through her hair again. And then I'm gonna split the hair in 3. Braid it a couple times. I am so heavy-handed. Just look at me. Like, you can tell I'm heavy-handed. That's crazy. Wow. And this video is fast forwarded, but I swear I was twisting that fast. Like, I was so ready to be done. And fun fact, the back of her hair been twisted for like a whole week and a half. I'm just now finishing the top. Like, this is crazy. But she's tender-headed, so it's like my patience. I have patience, but it's just like, But let me let you guys continue to watch the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Look at my baby. She was about to cry, but she sucked it up. She only feels the pain literally for a second. After that, she's good. This is the reason she needs her locks, and she wants her locks. She does not like the combing, the tugging, the pulling. The retwist is fine with her. She's gonna be nice and happy once I'm done. Okay, so this is the finishing product. Locking pomade, that's a mousse I literally just discovered. I don't know why nobody told me that it foamed up this much. Like, when I tell y'all it is so thick, y'all need to get you some. Like, it's really thick. Like, when you got them braids or you slicked your hair back, it's gonna work. I'm telling you, like, it's so thick and it lasts for a while. No matter what style I do, I always add the mousse. That's important. It's important. Add your mousse. Because yeah, it makes a huge difference. And then I use this oil mist. It keeps her hair moisturized and thick, even though she doesn't need that. What is it called? Biotin and collagen oil mist for thick and full hair. So that's what I use to moisturize her hair at the end. And here I'm just showing you guys her hair, like how I parted it in different areas. You see it's smaller in the back. And yeah, so we're done. And I know she's happy because we've been doing this all week. I know she's finally done. But stay tuned for the next video because I will be styling her hair. And if you like this content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment any other suggestions or video I cannot talk. Video ideas that you guys would like to see. And see you on the next video.